Hello kids, knowledge time. Let's see the second part of the random facts. 51. Our European ancestors were cannibals. In 16th and 17th century in Europe, cannibalism was actually a fairly common practice and it was all for the medical purposes. The practice seems to have started because of the Egyptian mummies were thought to have the magical curative properties. So they were ground up and put into many medical remedies. As the idea evolved, human bone, blood and fat were all used in the medical concoctions. Got a headache, crush a skull and make into the tea. While medical cannibalism has fallen out of the favor, modern medicine still sometimes uses one human body to heal the another in the form of the blood donations, organ transplants and skin grafts. 52. Dogs actually understand some English. Some owners of the disobedient dogs may have trouble believing this, but the dogs can learn to recognize a vocabulary of about 165 words. Unsurprisingly, dogs respond best to the short words as well as the words with the hard consonants like T or R, which may explain why they can hear retreat from the 3 rooms away. If you want to try to expand your dog's vocabulary, be consistent. For example, always call a meal dinner instead of breakfast, lunch or supper, and don't believe the myth. All dogs can learn words just as well as the young dogs. 53. You have a nail in your body, or at least the components of one. Iron is an important nutrient that the human body needs. It helps your blood cells to carry oxygen, which is necessary for producing energy throughout the body. That's why an iron deficiency can present itself with a feeling of exhaustion. Amazingly, a healthy adult has about 3 grams of iron, enough that is, it is very pulled out and melted down, and it could form a nail up to the 3 inches long. 54. Redheads aren't actually going to extinct. Periodically, a rumor starts on the internet that says natural redheads will become extinct by the year 2060. Luckily for gingers everywhere, this is a myth. It's true that the gene that causes red color is recessive, meaning that both the parents must have it for the child to have the red color. However, even the non-redheads can carry the redhead gene, and it can pop up unexpectedly in the generations down the line. 55. Pro baseball once had women players. While there were currently no female players in the Major League Baseball, there has been plenty of women in professional men leagues. The first was Lizzie Arlington, who pitched during the 9th inning for Reading Coal Heaviers in 1898 and won her team the game. A little over 30 years later, an African-American woman, Jackie Mitchell, pitched against the Yankees during an exhibition game, striking out both Babe Ruth and Lou Gehrig. What's more impressive was Mitchell was 17 years old at that time. 56. Koalas have fingerprints. Chimpanzees and gorillas have human-like fingerprints, and so do the koalas. In fact, koalas' prints are very similar to the human fingerprints, even to expert crime scene investigators. As of yet, no koalas have framed humans for their crimes, but now we know it's not impossible. 57. Humans are just one of the estimated 8.7 million species on the Earth. Human beings may dominate the planet with our sprawling cities and the far-reaching technology, but we are in fact just one species among some 8.7 billions that live together on this planet. One 2011 study published in the journal PLOS Biology estimated that the various forms of life on the planet include the 7.8 million species of animals, where 298,000 species of plants and 611,000 species of mushrooms, molds and other fungi, and that is 6,400 species of protozoa and 27,500 species of algae or chromists. and it's worth nothing that the researchers did not venture to put an estimate on the number of the bacteria. 58. Riding a roller coaster would help you pass a kidney stone. After multiple people reported they have passed a kidney stone while riding Walt Disney's world's biggest Thunder Mountain Railroad ride, a research team from Michigan State University decided to investigate the phenomena in the year 2016. They conducted tests with a model kidney and found out that there was a 64% kidney stone pass rate for those seated in the rear of the Thunder Mountain ride. That number was just 16% for those seated in the front. 59. Dinosaurs lived on every continent. Back in their day, dinosaurs lived on every continent on Earth, including Antarctica. The reason we only find out their bones in certain places, though, is that weather and the soil conditions in those places were just right for the bones to be fossiled. Scientists also speculate that there may be many smaller sized dinosaurs that we know nothing about there because of their bones were too small to fossilize well. 60. Bee hummingbirds are so small that they are mistaken for insects. Hummingbirds are known for being itty-bitty creatures, but bee hummingbirds are the teeniest versions of these shockingly tiny flyers. They are actually the smallest birds in the world. They are so minuscule that they are sometimes mistaken for the insects, which explains their name according to the National Audubon Society. The birds are just 2¼ inches long and weigh less than a dime. 67. Sea lions can dance to a beat. There are only 2 mammals on the earth with the proven ability to move their bodies in time with the external beat. Humans thought not all humans to be fair, and the sea lions. When the researchers at the University of Santa Cruz rescued a stranded sea lion in the year 2013, they found that she was very smart and she was even able to learn how to dance. Though parrots can also keep a rhyme, it was previously thought that only animals capable of comparing vocal learning could do this. 62. Rolls-Royce makes the most expensive car in the world. Currently, the most expensive car in the world is the Rolls-Royce Swiftail that sold for $13 million. However, even if you have that kind of dub lying around, you won't be able to buy it. Only one was made and it was custom built from the ground up according to the buyer's specification. But brand new custom cars have nothing on used classics. The recent sale of 1963 Ferrari GTO for $70 million is supposedly the highest price ever paid for a car. 63. The famed Typhoid Mary infected more than 50 people for cooking for them. Typhoid Mary was a historical person who became notorious in the early 1900s. She was an Irish woman named Mary Mallon who immigrated to the United States in the 1880s. Though she had no symptoms of typhoid fever, she carried the bacteria in her blood and could pass it on to the other people. Because no doctor could conceive her that she was true and she didn't feel sick, she insisted on working as a cook. During her career, she infected at least 51 people, 3 of whom died before she was isolated and enforced quarantine for the last decade of her life. 64. The legend of the Loch Ness Monster goes back nearly 1500 years. There's a tale written in the year 565 AD that speaks of an Irish monk traveling through Scotland. While there, Saint Columba heard stories of water beasts that attacked and killed the local people when they went into the river. Wanting to help, the monk used his friend as bait to lure the beast to the side, at which point Columba commanded it to go no further and the creature stopped and swam back upstream. The river is now known in Scotland as the River Ness, which flow out from the famous Loch Ness. 65. Nutmeg can be fatally poisonous. A little dash of nutmeg into the pumpkin pie or on your eggnog can give some extra flavor and a lovely spicy scent. Too much nutmeg, however, can be toxic. 2 or 3 tablespoons of raw nutmeg can induce hallucinations, convulsions, pain, nausea, paranoia, and that can last for several days. Actually, fatalities are rare, but they have been happened. 66. Chinese police use geese squads. You have heard of police dogs, but police geese? As of 2013, 12 police stations in the rural area of China have begun to use geese as sentries. They are alert animals and, as you know probably, can create a lot of noise and commotion, which Chinese law enforcement officers are taken advantage of. While this trend has yet to spread throughout China, Dongguan police claim that the geese have already stopped at least one theft. 67. The first iPhone wasn't made by Apple. The first mobile device to be called as an iPhone was made by Cisco, not Apple. It allowed the user to use the voice functions of Skype without a computer. Apple announced its own product just 22 days later, and Cisco sued for trademark infringement. The lawsuit was ultimately settled out of the court and both companies were allowed to keep using the name. However, you have probably never heard of Cisco iPhone. 68. There's a country where twins are more likely to be born. Benin, a country in Central Africa, is notable for having the highest rates of twins in the world, while the world's average is just 13 twins per 1,000 birds. Benin more than double than the rate at nearly 30 twins per 1,000 birds. There's no single factor that causes this, but genetics dies and even the mother's height are thought to have played a role. 69. The Comic Sans font came from an actually comic book. Most adults nowadays who know anything about graphic design steer away from using the Comic Sans font in the formal documents. The font was designed by Vincent Corley, who drew direct inspiration from his favorite comics book, including Alan Moore and Dave Gibbons' celebrated Watchmen series. '70. For 100 years, maps have shown an island that doesn't exist. Almost nothing is known about the Sandy Island, a landmass about the size of Manhattan in the Pacific Ocean off the coast of Australia. Supposedly, explorer James Cook discovered it in the year 1774 and it began appearing on the nautical maps in the year 1908. It wasn't until 2012 when a team of Australian scientists set out on a survey of this island that they discovered that there was no island there at all. The scientists guessed that Cook may have in fact spotted a pumic raft, a floating volcano stone and gas. The Sydney Morning Herald even published an obituary for Sandy Island. 71. Babies are physical anomalies. Babies, particularly newborn, are surprisingly different from the children they will be grown up to be. When they are born, their heads count for a quarter of their full body weight, and the size of their brains will be double in the first year of their life. Babies have 300 bones and around 10,000 taste buds all over their mouth. Some of the bones will fuse as they age into 206 as an adult, but the taste buds on the tongue will be eventually vanish. 72. The Queen has some hidden hideaways. Since the early 13th century, the City of London has officially paid rent to the Crown for 2 small pieces of the property. Fortunately for the city, the price has stayed the same for more than 800 years. 1 knife, 1 axe, 6 horses' shoes, and 61 nails presented every autumn in the ceremony of the Quit rents. Although one of these properties is located in the Moors in Sofia and the others in the near of the Royal Courts of Justice in the city itself, and no one knows the exact location of the Queen's land. 73. The man who wrote Dracula never visited Transylvania. Bram Stoker was an Irish author who is now remembered for the Gothic horror novel Dracula, particularly set in Transylvania, a mountainous region in central Romania. The story cemented the legend of the vampire in the mainstream Europe and the American culture. Despite Stoker's many worlds travel, he never visited Eastern Europe and by the virtue Transylvania at all. 74. The Australian government banned the word mate for a day. They are probably slang or informal words that get on your nerves from time to time, particularly when you think something should be taken seriously. In the year 2005, Australian Parliament took a few citizen complaints a little too seriously and banned anyone on the staff from using the word mate while at work. Fortunately, Prime Minister John Howard objected, claiming that mate was an important part of Australian culture, and the ban was overturned within 24 hours. 75. Many languages have the same roots. English, Portuguese, Lithuanian, Pashto, and Greek all sounds very different today, but these languages all have a common ancestor called as Proto-Indo-European. Though we don't have any written examples of its, linguistics have worked backwards from a variety of modern languages to try to reconstruct it. Using their reconstruction of the sentence, the king wanted a son would be written as H3REKS SUHS NUMULNH 1 2. 74. A tick bite can make you allergic to red meat. Plenty of people have food allergies, but few are the result of an insect bite. In a strange and a growing trend, some people who get bitten by the Lone Star prick can develop a sudden allergy to red meat. Beef, lamb, and pork, which are technically classified as red meat, can make people with the allergy experiences like headaches, sneezing, a running nose, and nausea. In several cases, it can cause the person to be unable to breathe. For some suffers, the allergy fades over the time, but others it makes it permanent. 77. Harriet Tubman was even more heroic than you thought. You probably know that Harriet Tubman was a former slave who became a political activist for the abolishment movement. But in addition to smuggling escaped slaves through the Underground Railroad during the Civil War, she was the first woman to lead an armed assault. She planned and executed a number of raids and was known to carry a revolver for personal protection. 78. Tornadoes can cause fish rain. Tornadoes can develop over water as well as they can over the land. When they do, they are called as water sprouts, and they suck up large amounts of lake or sea water as well as whatever swimming in the water. If the water sprouts travel onto the land and the winds decrease there, nowhere from there the fish will go to down. As far as we know, there is no tornado powerful enough to pick up sharks, but a fish tornado is entirely possible. 79. Napoleon was once attacked by thousands of rabbits. Napoleon Bonaparte was one of the most powerful men in Europe, but he suffered an ignominious defeat at the hands of rabbits. After a military victory, Napoleon's chief of staff organized a rabbit hunt to celebrate. Thousands of rabbits were brought in to be set loose, but instead of popping away when the cages were opened, they turned to attack, swarming the partygoers. After trying and failing to shoo them away, the great Emperor Napoleon ran away for the safety from his carriage. 80. Star Trek Scotty stormed the beach at Normandy. Canadian actor James Doohan, best known for playing Montgomery Scott on the original Star Trek series, served in the World War II with the 3rd Canadian Infantry Division. As a commissioned lieutenant, he led his troop with the mines to Juno Beach as a part of the Allied forces' D-Day invasion. Later in the day, he was wounded by the friendly fire that caused the amputation of the middle finger on his right hand. You might not have noticed it because during that time on Star Trek, directors did the best they could do to avoid the showing and the injury on screen. 81. Apple pie isn't actually American. Apples originally come from Asia. The first pie were baked in the medieval Europe. Even the concept of putting apples in the pie traces back to the recipe from England in 1381. Nevertheless, the phrase as Americans as apple pie turned up by 1924 and became a common saying during the years of the Second World War. 82. Pigs are constitutionally protected in Florida. First written in 1838, the Constitution of the state of Florida guarantees the right to privacy, the freedom of speech, and the right of pregnant pigs to be free from cages. Unlike many crazy or outdated laws, this amendment is recently passed in the year 2002 and comes from a well-meaning place, the prevention of cruelty to animals. During pregnancy, a pig must not be caged or even tethered so that it cannot turn around freely. 83. Mr. Cherry breaks all the records you have never heard of. Japan's record breaker for most records broken is Cherry Yoshitake, a children entertainer who goes by Mr. Cherry. In 2018 alone, Mr. Cherry set 1 minute record for most pair of underwears pulled on 36, the most baked beans eaten 71, and the most apples bobbed 37. 84. Sweat doesn't actually stink. You might not have noticed that any sweat you produce right after a shower doesn't smell so bad. That's because your sweat itself isn't stinky. It's the bacteria on your skin that breaks the sweat down that causes the odor. Additionally, you'll find that the sweat on the arms and the leg doesn't smell as much as your armpits. That's because the sweat glands in your armpits secrete more protein in the dark, damp environment and the perfect place and the food for the bacteria. 85. Some planets produce diamond rain. Saturn and Jupiter are gas-giant planets that produce a truly unique form of weather. Recently, scientists discovered that there is plenty of carbon in these atmospheres. When the carbon soot gets hit by lightning, it hardens into graphite and falls down, where the pressure of the atmosphere hardens it further until it's become a diamond. Storms on these planets may literally rain diamonds as big as a centimeter across. 86. Sharks can live for 5 centuries. Greenland sharks are known for some of the oldest living animals in the world. Researchers did carbon dating on a Greenland shark that was caught in 2014 and was found to be around 392 years old. Further testing revealed that our fishy friends could be possibly up to 500 years old. Yes, that would mean that our Greenlandic friends would have been alive when Leonardo da Vinci painted the Mona Lisa. 87. There's an entire town under a rock. If you have ever been accused of living under a rock, you will feel right at home in the Seattle de los Bodegas in Spain. Many of these tiny towns, 3,000 residents live and work and play in the gorge beneath a huge rocky outcropping where homes are built right in the rock. It provided so much shelter that historians think that this area has been occupied by human settlements since the Stone Age. 88. It's illegal to sell a bounceless pickle to somebody in Connecticut. This law put Connecticut librarians in quite the pickle. The law actually arose a legend and the people demanded the truth. For hours, librarians in the states can pass arches of law within the state until the librarian eventually found the truth or the Hartford Courant. The law was in fact an ordinance that was created in 1949 to thwart pickle packers Moses Dexler and Sidney Sparrow. These two men were selling inedible pickles, so laboratories conducted experiments and found that if it doesn't bounce, doesn't eat an ounce. 89. The Bermuda Triangle isn't any more likely to cause a mysterious disappearance than anywhere else. This is an area in the North Atlantic Sea called the Devil's Triangle because it is an area of the ocean that stretches from the tip of the Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. It has been thought to seemingly swallow up ships and aircrafts. Explorers as far back as Christopher Columbus have reported odd occurrences like fireballs in the sky that turned out to be meteor clashing. But historians, scientists, and US Coast Guard have proven that vessels are more likely to disappear in the Bermuda Triangle than they are anywhere else in the ocean. Many poignant disappearances have been demystified as remains of numerous wrecks were discovered and explained by weather patterns in the area at the time. 90. There's a world record and a happy ending for the greatest distance thrown in a car accident. This is one world record you may not want to try to top. A car traveling 30 miles per hour struck Matthew McKnight, an off-duty paramedic, when he stopped to help out an accident on the side of the interstate in 2001. He was thrown 118 feet, almost half a football field. Eric Brader, his emergency room physician, told McKnight he thought he should be sent in the Guinness Book of World Records, but Mr. Knight brushed it off as a joke. Brader was so impressed by the feat that he sent into the paperwork anyways, which was approved in 2003 but didn't make the cut until 2008 edition. 91. You can sneeze faster than a cheetah can run. Clocking in 100 meters per hour, we can sneeze faster than cheetahs run, 4.5 times faster than Usain Bolt's record, and 20 times faster than the Michael Phelps. Unfortunately, we also expel about 1 lakh germs when we sneeze. 92. The fire hydrant patent was lost in the fire. The fire hydrant patent is credited to Frederick Graf Sr., who was the chief engineer for Philadelphia Water Works during the early 1800s. Unfortunately for Graf Sr., his patent had destroyed when the patent office in Washington, D.C. burnt down in 1836. After 100 years, retired firefighter George Sigliax reinvented the hydrant after he has been failing to work in too many critical emergencies. 93. Saudi Arabia imports camel from Australia. Saudi Arabia is known for its vast expanse of desert, so it has been seem unbelieving that they rely on Australia to supply them with the animals that dominate in their landscape. Australia originally had camels imported to be used from transporting heavy loads or for riding. They were let loose when their work was done, causing an unwanted spike in the population. Australians then sold the camels back to the desert-based countries like Saudi Arabia, which use camels as much higher volume. 94. One man once survived 2 atomic bombs. Tsutomu Yamaguchi survived both nuclear attacks to Japan when the US dropped atomic bombs during the World War II. Yamaguchi, sent to Hiroshima on business on August 6, 1945, saw the US drop the first atomic bomb. Miraculously, he survived with burns across his face and arms, but made it home to Nagasaki. 3 days later, the second atomic bomb hit, flattening Yamaguchi's home. Because his family was out finding ointments to treat him already existed burns, they were safe in the tunnel and miraculously survived as well. 95. The cast of Friends still earns around 20 million each year. When the show came to an end, the cast of the popular TV show Friends negotiated syndication rights for themselves. That means that they receive a percentage of the revenue, that is 2%, from reruns airing across all broadcasting companies. Since the much-loved TV show still pulls in around 1 billion of revenue, Courtney Cox, David Schwimmer, Jennifer Aniston, Lisa Kudrow, Matt Leibach and Matthew Perry all make major dub each year for doing well nothing. 20 millions is the estimate. 96. Pluto technically isn't even a year old. Pluto was discovered on February 18, 1930. It's the farthest dwarfed planet from the Earth, requiring it to go much farther distance than we are used to on the Earth. It takes 248 Earth years for Pluto to complete one rotation of its own around the Sun. This places Pluto's first birthday since its discovery on Monday, March 23, 2078. 97. Cows kill more Americans each year than the sharks do. While sharks account for about 53 bites per year, only one of those ends up being fatal. Cows, on the other hand, kill around 20 people per year. 98. Newborns don't have kneecaps. This belief is only a half-truth, as babies actually technically do have kneecaps when they are born. Those knees just aren't hardened yet and remain soft cartilage throughout their childhood until they eventually turn into a bone. 99. In Germany, people help toads cross the road. You might not want to bring up the popular video game Frogger in Germany. There, they like to protect their frogs, toads and other amphibians. In order to save them from harm, when crossing the streets, conservation organization installed more than 800 fences along popular roadways. Along these fences are buckets, so when they try to cross, they eventually hop into one. At the end of the day, wildlife conservation collects the buckets and releases the frogs across the road into the nearby forest with the ponds and the lakes. 100. Cheetahs don't roar. Cheetahs can't roar, but they can purr, mew, hiss, bark and growl instead. This type of behavior is much like the domestic cats we keep in our homes.